Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by donning PPE and setting up ventilation, safety first. Once done, thin the paint to the recommended ratio, usually 10-15%, so it flows smoothly through a 0.5 1 mm nozzle. Next, pour to about 2/3 of the cup and securely fasten the lid to avoid spills. Test spray on cardboard at 20-25 cm distance to confirm pattern and atomization. Adjust pressure and fan width slightly until you see a consistent, even mist without sputtering. You now focus on technique. Keep the sprayer 20-25 cm from the surface and move it parallel at a steady pace, about 30 cm per second, to lay down uniform coats. Make sure each pass overlaps the previous by 30-40% so you don't get banding or streaks. If you see the paint forming an orange peel texture, reduce flow or increase pressure slightly, or thin an extra 1/4 to improve leveling. Always keep the gun moving to prevent runs, and dry between light coats. You finish by applying 1 or 2 light final coats, making sure to follow the paint's cure time, typically 24-48 hours, for full hardness. Once done, immediately flush and clean the fluid passages, needle, and air cap with the recommended solvent so residue does not harden. If you encounter sputtering or uneven spray, stop spraying, clean the tip and strain the paint into a clean container, then inspect nozzle and air cap fit. Often a simple clog or loose cap causes issues, and fixing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.